solve the inequality 3 minus 2 times the absolute value of x plus 4 is greater than negative 3. Then A, graph the solution set. B, write the solution set using set builder notation. And C, write the solution set using interval notation. So we will begin by solving our inequality. We have 3 minus 2 times the absolute value of x plus 4 is greater than negative 3. And we need to get the absolute value portion of the inequality isolated, so we'll begin by subtracting 3 from both sides, giving us negative 2 times the absolute value of x plus 4 is greater than negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Now we'll divide both sides by a negative 2, and since we're dividing by a negative, we need to remember to flip the inequality symbol. So now dividing both sides by a negative 2 gives us the absolute value of x plus 4 is less than negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. Now that we have the absolute value portion alone, we can now create our, in this case, an AND statement. Since we have an absolute value less than situation, we need to be less or within 3 units from 0. So x plus 4 needs to be greater than negative 3, and at the same time x plus 4 needs to be less than positive 3. And when we solve these two, we will get x is greater than, on the left we're going to subtract 4 from both sides, giving us negative 7. And on the right hand side, subtracting 4 from both sides, x is less than negative 1. So x needs to be greater than negative 7, and at the same time x needs to be less than negative 1. Move my number line. So to write our solution set, we can write it as x needs to be between negative 7 and negative 1, and because our original problem was strictly a greater than situation, not greater than or equal to, then we do not have equal signs here as well. So part A, graph our solution set on the number line. Again, we're going to have a parenthesis at negative 7, a parenthesis at negative 1, and x is everything in between those two, not including those. So we will shade between negative 7 and negative 1. Part B, state our solution set using set builder notation. Our solution set is the set of all x such that negative 7 is less than x is less than negative 1. And part C, write our solution set using interval notation. We would have a parenthesis at negative 7 up to negative 1, parenthesis on negative 1.